I landed a fully remote job, which is focused on Azure cloud
Hmm.
and DevOps in that sense also. And I doubled my current salary. That was thanks to the community, to be honest, because I don't think I would have done the same without it. If they feel like they are stuck in a way and they're finding by themselves the solution to maybe get to a new a better place in their career, I would say to make the investment, because it will only return back in the future, and they will regret not doing it sooner. So I
Hello, Endrit. Welcome to the call. It's so good to meet you again because, yeah, you are one of the biggest success stories recently. You actually managed to double your salary and land a remote role at the same time. So fantastic. So, yeah, tell us, who are you? What are you about? And what happened?
Yeah, definitely. Thank you for this, Misha. And yeah, basically, as I said, I was saying that I joined the community 1 year ago,
Hmm.
and it was like pretty exciting to find something like this when you can actually, network, meet people to your that work the same profession as you, and share, tips, advices, and also use the classroom inside the community, which was really helpful for me to grow professionally, and on the technical side, and of course on the soft skills, so on the marketing side as well,
Mm.
and the personal branding. So yeah, since I joined the community, I was immediately taking action, which was really cool. And also I found it really useful immediately, because I was learning by doing. So that was one of the main benefits of this community, to be honest, which wasn't only theory side, let's say, but because you can actually build things that you can use for your career and grow professionally.
Yeah.
And so yeah, after, let's say, 2 months joining in, I was immediately getting the results, let's say, because I was continuously getting job opportunities by recruiters, because I was putting into action what you are like teaching us inside the community and so on, and utilizing all the resources inside.
Mm.
So yeah, and I managed to get a lot of job opportunities, which I was continuously, I was doing a lot of job interviews to find which was the right opportunity for me.
Yeah.
So, and that was simply by also by posting on LinkedIn, for example. I wasn't actively looking for jobs, but recruiters were starting to contact me all the time. So that was one great, feedback that I was getting out of this community, which was like, if you put into practice what you teach inside it, you will start getting immediately results and feedback from, recruiters contacting you, or passing job interviews easily, for example, by also utilizing a home lab.
Hmm.
And even though you don't have the actual experiences, right, you can utilize the home lab to prove that you have those skills
Yep.
for the different like job opportunities that you want to land, right?
Mm.
So yeah.
So
uh,
take us back to before you were joining the community, right? So
yeah.
what it look? So you mentioned that after 2 months you were being approached. So what did it look like before you joined?
Yeah, right. So basically, before I joined the community, I was, in the loop hell of tutorial, let's
Yeah,
say. So,
tutorial hell.
yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. I was watching a lot of courses on Udemy or Coursera to up level my skills. What I thought would be helpful for me to land, better jobs and with better salaries. But yeah, I was stuck in this tutorial hell, let's say,
Mm.
without a precise direction. So that was one of my, and also I was working in a job where I was doing the same tasks, which wasn't helping me to grow technically.
Yeah.
So time was passing by, but I wasn't developing new skills and being also, being attractive to the job market in that way.
Yeah. Because
So
you were working as a sysadmin or
I was working actually as a DevOps. It wasn't like, to be honest, though, um, I wasn't working actively with on many skills, but I was
mm.
doing more automation
Yeah.
with Jenkins, but I wasn't seeing other areas, like for example, cloud infrastructure. I wasn't doing that. I was utilizing Linux, but not so much.
Mm.
Very basic. I wasn't also using Kubernetes to,
No.
so that was like also a really, something that I wanted to learn, but in my current, like in my last company where I was working, I wasn't utilizing it. So I had to learn it by my own in that sense. That's why also I got stuck in this tutorial hell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And in terms of like people approaching you for jobs or anything like that, was that happening before?
Not really. To be honest, it wasn't because also my LinkedIn wasn't set up in a way, and I wasn't also posting on
Mm.
LinkedIn. So maybe I had some recruiters, but it was very rare
Yeah.
that they were contacting me, and also the positions weren't like so exciting that I wanted to learn more about. So
Yeah.
yeah, it wasn't so much as I was expecting. Yeah,
So so would you say that when you came in and like take us through that? So you came in, you've got the systems, right?
yeah,
Um, so you said it took you 2 months to see the results already. So how would you feel KubeCraft benefited you in this process?
yeah, yeah. Basically, it benefited me because it short. It let's say it gave me the right steps that I
Yeah.
can immediately take on
Yeah.
to like instead of wasting time, on looking for a solution or something that could actually work.
Yeah.
So uh, given that I was looking a community that was precisely on DevOps and helping DevOps or cloud in a way professionals to develop their career, this was, I think, the right community to
Yeah.
join. And I don't think there are actually outside of this one better ones out there, to be honest, because I was also looking. Yeah, I know. It's true, because I looked also other communities before joining.
Hmm.
I think maybe I mentioned you because I was looking for a community like this before I joined here. So yeah, this one was one of the best ones, to be honest. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thank you. Yeah, it's and just to explain, so I I think it is because I set out to create something I knew I couldn't find myself, right? So when I started out, I didn't have any place. There was nowhere I could help. And I figured, well, I managed to do this, so I want to start something that actually helps people land jobs, right? There's no community that's actually centered around getting good jobs, but also having the technical expertise in the community, right? Like I am the sort of the leader of the community, but I learn so much every single day from what people are posting. So cool. So that's the community side, and then you felt that the systematic approach helped you. So you started applying this. People started recruiting. Recruiters started to approach you, and so what happened now? Where are you now?
So yeah, now I basically I would say 1 month ago I landed a fully remote job which is focused on Azure cloud
Hmm.
and DevOps in that sense also, and I doubled my current salary. So
Amazing, man.
yeah, it was a
Awesome.
great achievement, and I think this is only the beginning, to be honest, because I'm seeing great potentials from this now on. So
Yeah.
yeah, and that
That-
was thanks to the community, to be honest, because I don't think I would have done the same without it.
yeah, right. It's the
Yeah.
and I think Sammy's my co-founders, my brother's material really help you with that, didn't it?
Yeah, actually, I told Sammy also that it was the his materials inside the community were really helpful,
Yeah.
and it's crazy how much the, let's say, the soft skills people like underestimate them, but I
Hmm.
think they are like one of the reasons why some professionals don't get those job offers that they are
Yeah.
looking. So
Exactly. Yeah, we're engineers, right? Like we focus on the tech stuff, and this is also why I asked my brother to help me because he's very different from me, and he's very good at like negotiation and how to present yourself, that kind of stuff. And he is handling basically the soft skills and these negotiation aspects of the job. Because us engineers, we don't like to do it. We think it's scary. But if you then have someone that actually teaches you, well, you see the results here with Endrit. So yeah, amazing, man,
yeah, definitely.
amazing. And so now you say, okay, this is just the beginning. So where do you see yourself going?
So yeah, actually, I want um, to do my best on my current role and job because I want to get good at this new role that
Yeah.
I'm now I joined. And yeah, after this, I will. But the thing is that since now I've built the system to land this job, I know I can do the same to get a better one. So that that was is one of the main benefits, I think, if you join this community, because you start at some point, but then you can get to new levels, and that you I think you can all only get better. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's one of the I think that was for me one of the main benefits.
Amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm super happy to hear it, man. Well, I mean, I think that about covers it. But like, if there's someone on the outside, right? They are maybe looking at the website and my videos. I still literally get the messages sometimes. Yeah, I think this is a scam. Like,
Mhm.
so what would you say to someone who is like who really wants this, who wants a DevOps job, maybe a beginner or maybe a sysadmin transitioning, but they're scared to join. Like, what would you say to that person?
Yeah, I would say if they feel like they are stuck in a way and they're finding by themselves the solution to maybe get to a better place in their career. I will say to make the investment, because it will only return back in the future, and they will regret not doing it sooner, so
Yeah.
earlier. So that's what I will say. Like they had to make the investment and yeah, like be more courageous, like, because I don't think you cannot I think you have to do it if you want to grow. Like it's we make a lot of excuses a lot of times, that they have their reasoning, but at the end of the day, if you don't make the jump, you will be stuck, and only time will pass by, and you will regret not doing it sooner.
Yeah. I mean, staying stuck in the same place is more expensive in the end, because like if just calculate, if you can double your salary like Endrit did, like how much will bring that you, right? So
Exactly.
yeah.
That's what I mean. Like, and that's why I think it's always better to invest in yourself, like not just once, but every time.
Yeah. Just keep growing, and you have to do it. Like it's what I do myself too. I always keep growing, keep investing, and never be the smartest person in the room. Try to get into the room where you are the dumbest and the one where where you have the least skills, because then you can learn from the people and from the community around you. All right, Endrit, well, thank you so much for taking the time for this. And I'm so stoked to see where you're going to go from here. Maybe you can double it again. Let's make it happen, man.
Yep, definitely. Now it's just like a matter of time. Because as I said, I know the system and how it works, and from this there are opening a lot of opportunities that now I don't. To be honest, I'm like a bit confused because I have too much. So, but it's a good time.
From one problem to the other, right?
Yeah, exactly. But
Too many
these
job
are
offers.
better problems, so I would say, yeah, more exciting problems in a sense.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. Keep up the good work, and see you around in the community.
Yep. Thanks a lot, Misha. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.